Hello friends, welcome again on my little channel, and today I got an order for my work, and this is going to be a drainage cover customized to size, and then specifically I need to make it. Doesn't need to be brass or solid copper, nothing like that, just to cover it and make the drill the holes, so in a case the water flood or something, it's in a mechanical room, and I got to make 4 of them. So I'm going to start today and see how it's going to work. 2 different methods. One is the classical grinder, make the circle, or jigsaw, cut it with the high-speed blade, metal cutting. So first I need to make the circle, which is almost 12 inches. I got a compass here, so I'm going to make a 11 and a half, so 5 3/4, and then make a nice circle. Okay, and of course pencil is not visible, so I will go over the line with the marker to make that visible. So what I want to try is to see what is the advantage, disadvantage to cutting that 1/8 thick hot roll steel, 1/8 thick hot roll, either jigsaw or grinder. Which one has some advantage, disadvantage, and yeah, I can tell you, and I'm going to check it by myself too, so I don't know yet. So let me mark it the circle here. So what I want to do, maybe I do full circle with the jigsaw, measure time, and then full circle with the grinder. Also make the stopwatch to see how long you'll take each one to cut. Yeah. Okay, so it doesn't need to be precisely 100% circle, but it is basically with a little compass help. Yeah, I was able to make the circle pretty nice. And then okay, now to do that, so I'm going to start first with the grinder, and and then jigsaw blade is already used one, as well as the grinder wheel, so we are both probably quite the same way. Sorry, I need to put the, of course, goggles. Even I have my own glasses, it's not enough. Yeah, goggle goes on, yeah, fit well, and let's go to do cutting. And my camera guy is laughing because I'm probably looking like to go and swim, and yeah, well, next month. Okay, so all right, so I don't need to clamp it because I will rotate it and see how it goes. Okay, sorry, I didn't start the stopwatch. It's not necessarily important, but just to know which one is faster. So I'm going to make one circle full cut with the grinder, second one full cut with the jigsaw. because it has to be done. 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 50 seconds, but okay, let's consider 10 minutes. Nice. Thank you. Now, let's get ready for a jigsaw. So one of the disadvantage I will tell you after what I can see here on the grinding. I don't know how the jigsaw will go, but hopefully it will go well as a grinder. All right. So for the cutting with the jigsaw, I need to clamp it because I cannot hold it with one hand. So I have to clamp it. So this is my how do you call it, metal blade, high speed, and it's designed for a thick material, the blade. Okay, so it's regular. It's not regular blade for sure. It's for the metal. Okay, so one thing I know for sure, I need to use the oil, and yeah, which I didn't need to use for grinding. Okay, so again, the safety goggles. You know, the chips of metal chip from the cutting with the jigsaw or with another saw. It's not like the sparks, but they're so hot. If it goes to the eye, no good. Okay. All right. Oh yeah, time. I hope I won't ruin my phone. Okay. Let's start it now. Okay. Let's see how the jigsaw. So I'm going to put a little oil on the blade first. Or here, maybe later I'll put it on a metal as well. The low speed for yeah, it's coming. We are cutting pretty slow, but it's coming. One more turn, and we are almost done. Okay, a little bit oil. Pomažete jedzie. It's in the Polish language and means like lubricate, go smooth. It's true. That's it. Time. Let's have a look for the time. 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Yeah. And so here we are with the results. Both ways we can cut circle, 1/8 thick steel, hot rolled. It's not very hard, and yeah, it's a pretty nice cut. Well, and it's possible. Even you don't need to grind it on in a room or somewhere. You have to be prevented with the sparks. You don't want to use the sparks, or you need to hot work permit, stuff like that. So you can use jigsaw. Always use the thick metal blade for thick metal, and it's for high-speed jigsaw. Okay, and this is the grinding wheel, really thin one. I believe it's I don't know, it's 1/16 or a little bit more than 1/16, but it's possible to do it both ways. Probably welder and the metal guys, metal workers, will always use the grinder, never touch the jigsaw. But me, carpenter and cabinets making woodworker, I allow my jigsaw tool as well. So thank you guys for watching, and yeah, give me a thumb or subscribe. Thank you again. Have a good night.